Hi everyone, welcome back to English Step by Step, where we help you level up your IGCSE writing skills. Today we're talking about similes, but not just any similes. We're going to learn how to create your own unique, interesting, and non-cliché similes that will make your writing stand out. Ready? Let's dive in. A simile compares two things using the words like or as. For example, her smile was like sunshine. He ran as fast as a cheetah. These are great, but let's face it, they're overused. If you want to impress the examiner, you need to come up with something fresh. Let me show you how. The first step is to zoom in on the specific qualities of the object or action you're describing. For example, instead of saying, "Her smile was like sunshine," ask yourself, what makes her smile unique? Maybe her smile is warm but also shy, or bright but fleeting. New simile was like a candle flickering in the dark, gentle and illuminating. Don't settle for the first comparison that pops into your head. Think of something unexpected. For instance, the water was as clear as glass. Try, the water was as clear as a polished mirror, reflecting the sky's every mood. A great simile doesn't just rely on sight. Use all five senses to create vivid comparisons. For example, her voice was like velvet can become her voice was like honey dripping from a comb, rich and slow with a hint of sweetness. Don't be afraid to mix ideas or use humor. Playful similes can add charm to your writing. For example, instead of "he was as clumsy as an elephant," try "he was as clumsy as a penguin on roller skates." Similes become memorable when they evoke emotions. Let's say you want to describe a child's laugh. Instead of "the child's laugh was like a bell," try "the child's laugh was like raindrops dancing on a tin roof, lively and uncontainable." Here are 20 unique similes to inspire you. 1. Her tears fell like petals from a dying rose. 2. The night was as silent as a library at midnight. 3. His anger burned like a wildfire racing through a dry forest. 4. The cake was as light as a cloud drifting on a summer breeze. 5. His thoughts swirled like leaves caught in a whirlpool. 6. The old car creaked like an ancient pirate ship. 7. Her perfume lingered like a melody you can't stop humming. 8. The sky turned as red as embers glowing in a dying fire. 9. His determination was as unyielding as a mountain standing against the wind. 10. The laughter bubbled up like soda fizz escaping a shaken can. 11. Her dress shimmered like sunlight on rippling water. 12. His words hit her like hailstones on fragile glass. 13. The cat moved as stealthily as a shadow slipping under the door. 14. The crowd's energy surged like a wave crashing onto the shore. 15. The forest was as dense as an unread library. 16. The city was alive, buzzing like a beehive at sunrise. 17. Her fear spread through her body like ink dropped in water. 18. The old house stood as proud as a warrior scarred from battle. 19. His joy exploded like fireworks on New Year's Eve. 20. The child clung to his mother like a burr stuck to a hiker's sock. Now it's your turn. Here's a challenge. Write a simile for these situations. Remember to avoid cliches. 1. The sound of rain on the roof. 2. A person's nervousness before a big event. 3. A sunset over the ocean. 4. Pause the video, jot down your ideas, and share them in the comments below. I can't wait to see your creativity. Let's recap. 1. Focus on specific details. 2. Think outside the box. 3. Use all your senses. 4. Be playful and creative. 5. Connect to emotions. Thanks for watching. If you found this lesson helpful, don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the notification bell so you never miss a new video. Keep practicing, and soon your writing will shine as brightly as your ideas. See you next time.